With technology derived directly from Formula One, the latest generation of the Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC sets new standards for innovative drive solutions both as a saloon, combined fuel consumption 9.1 to 8.7 L/100 km, combined CO2 emissions 206 to 196 G/km, 1 and as an estate, combined fuel consumption 9.2 to 8.8 L/100 km, combined CO2 emissions 209 to 199 G/km. Following its premiere in the Mercedes-AMG SL43, the AMG 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, the world's first series production unit to feature an electric exhaust gas turbocharger, is now also being used in the C-Class. The new form of turbocharging guarantees particularly spontaneous response across the entire rev range and thus offers an even more dynamic driving experience. The turbocharger is operated via the 48-volt electrical system, which also feeds the belt-driven starter generator, RSG. In the Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC, the unit produces 300 kilowatts, 408 HP, and, in certain driving situations, is able to call upon a brief additional boost of 10 kilowatts, 14 HP, from the RSG. The standard rear axle steering, the AMG Performance 4MATIC permanent all-wheel drive with rear-biased torque distribution, the AMG SpeedShift MCT9G transmission with wet start-off clutch and the AMG Ride Control suspension with adaptive damping system also contribute to the dynamic driving experience. In keeping with this, brand-specific features in the equipment and appointments as well as in the exterior and interior design emphasize the performance-oriented character of the new Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC.